Hello everyone, welcome to IC Training Nepal, and today I'm going to show you how we interact with the new programming language or new framework so that it will be easy for us to cope up with the new languages and to be up to date with the new language. So this is the session called the Learn Vue with me. Okay, so here I will also learn the Vue.js, and alongside with me you will also learn the Vue.js. Okay, so let's get started. And here I have just typed the Vue in the Google, and we have this Vue. Okay, so the Vue is a open source model view model JavaScript framework for building user interface and the single page applications. Okay, so it was created by Ivan Yu and is maintained by him and the rest of the active core team members. Is coming from various companies such as Netlify and Netguru. Okay, so these are the some things. Okay, so let's get started here. Vue.js.org. so here's another thing called the get started here, and you can just learn the Vue.js from this documentation. Well, let's get started. Or we have the free video course on Vue Mastery. Okay, so I'm not promoting the Vue Mastery, but you can go and watch the free courses from here also. Okay, so from here also you can just watch the free courses so that it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, but before that I just want to show the other thing, not these things. You can do it by yourself. Here what we have is like the installation process. Okay, so let's click on the installation process and let's see what happened, what it is saying. So there is a two version called development version and the production version. Okay, so we have the two version. Okay, so first of all the direct script include. Okay, so we have the direct script include. So for prototyping and learning purpose you can use this latest version. Okay, in the HTML just copy this one. Okay, or for production we recommend like this is the version to build to avoid the unexpected breakage from the new version. Okay, it said that. And for using the native ES modules, there is also the ES module compile build here. Okay, so there are the different things. Okay, you can just go and npm learn Vue. If you have already installed the npm, then you can just do like this. Okay, so this is the Vue. I'm going to show you the normal things and of the Vue, and in furthermore I'll just show you how we will get interact with Vue, and after that how we run Vue, and at the end of this all the series I will show you to just connect the Vue with the label. Okay, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's get started here. Okay, so where we start. Okay, so we have the explanation of the different bundles here. Everything is explained here. Okay, dev bundle, we have the clean here, we have these modules, and we have this introduction. Okay, just do it. Okay, and okay, so let's just copy this, and I have made one folder called Vue. Let's just make one file. Okay, so index.html, and let's just open with Notepad. I'm just going to open it with Notepad, and let's just copy this. Okay, so that before that let's make HTML. Okay, that is why I don't like this doc type HTML. Okay, and then HTML, I don't know, I don't want to do this. just got this. If you have Sublime text, just enter the Sublime. So I have opened it in here view dot. Okay, so I'm going to delete this st. Hope it will work. Okay, it worked. Okay, so view. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is like in the body, I think we need a script, and let's just copy this one. Okay, I have copied this. It doesn't matter, you just need any of this for the prototyping purpose, or just okay. So just paste this here. Okay, done. Maybe let's see if I have done it or not. Okay, let's hope it will work. Then what it says is like, let's read for a command. Okay, npm, and then okay runtime. If you need a compile template, then this is template options. Okay, so this is the compile template. Okay, so here is one thing that it maybe it has given here. I have shown it so that it will be easy for you to understand. Let's go to the what is going on. Let's go to the introduction here. Okay, so after that, try this lesson in schema. Okay, so this is the lovely thing. Okay, so here is the hello world. Okay, so here we have linked these things. Okay, maybe, so let's try it. Okay, so we have these things, and here what we have this script Vue.js. Okay, and we have this HTML, and we have just done this scripting from this. Okay, index.js. Okay, and we have this normal CSS. If you just want a CSS, you can just do it, otherwise it doesn't matter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like just copy these things. Okay, I think it didn't show the copy option, so let's do it ourselves. So we have this div id called app. Okay, and we have this message, and we have just add the index.js. Okay, so let's see here. What we need is, one thing I need is like, let's make one index.js. Okay, done. So we don't need the CSS for now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is like just copy this one and just paste it to the head and in the body section, right? So in the body section I have this div id app. Okay, so you have to understand these things. Okay, div id equal to app. Okay, so I have called this id. Okay, so and here, if you are good at like Laravel, if you have done Laravel before, you can just see it's like the same one. Okay, showing the I mean like showing with the curly braces. Okay, okay, this is the message. Okay, so another thing what I have done here is script. Okay, and then we have just linked this script. Okay, src index.js. Okay, so src index.js. Okay, so you can just do this way and just do the code here. Okay, or else you can just do the code here also. Okay, So I'll just show you the two things, don't worry. First things here, what we need to do is here we need to make one var. Okay, so I'm going to copy from here maybe. Okay, so I'm going to copy from here and I'm going to paste it here. So it says that the var means the variable app is means the new view. Okay, so it will means the new view, and the view will show that the el means you have to know that el means that id. Okay, so the id will be the app. Okay, so it triggers the app and the data will be the message. Okay, and hello view. Okay, and the another thing I just want to do, but before that let's save this one and let's save this one and let's open in the browser. Let's see what happens, and after that I will show you one two more thing. Okay, hello view. Okay, it's right. Okay, so the other thing I just want to do is like, okay, here s1 maybe s2. This is another thing I just want to do. I want to do another thing. Okay, so this is only for the view purpose. Okay, so don't worry, I will show you. Okay, hello view. Okay, so the other thing what I'm going to do is this message means this is the data. Okay, so we are calling this data. Just I'm just calling the another data, call the h2 and ICT training. Okay, so let's just do here, and I just want to call the another data called ICT training, and it means please subscribe. So this is the data. Okay, and I'm calling this data. So let's see it work out or not. Okay, so please subscribe. Okay, so this is the things. Okay, so it is working on. So what is going on is like it is doing the real time. Okay, so it is doing the real time, and it is like having the, so here the other things I have is like, okay, this is the one part. Okay, and the other part what I'm going to do is I just want to code this, or I'll just want to, okay, I'll just do this and let's see it will work or not. If you do this, it won't work. Okay, it won't work. Why? Because we have not passed in data. Okay, so here also I can do the things in here also. What I just need to do is I'll just copy this one, and I'm making the instance. So what I'm doing here is making the instance of the new view. Okay, and this new view is coming from, you just have to know this new view is coming from here. Okay, so here, okay, Vue.js. Okay, so you have to, I have made the instance of the new view, and L is the, and this is the target. Okay, so this is the target ID where I have just pushed out, and the data will be many more. Okay, so this section is like the normal section, and I have done these sections. Okay, so here another thing is the div id, and spans v bind, it means that it will bind. Okay, so it will bind the title. Okay, so let's try this again. What happened is like, you will see what will happen. Just paste it. Okay, and the other thing here, you just need to copy this. Okay, you just need to copy this. We don't need this variable for now. Let's see it work out or not. Hope it will work out. So I need to do in this variable. So what I'm going to do is like, okay, from here, right? So I'm just going to, okay, do this, and I'm just paste it. Okay, so let's see it will work out or not. So let's go here, refresh it. No, it didn't work out. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is just make one other variable. Just copy this variable and save it. Okay, so let's see what happened. Okay, hover your mouse over me for a few seconds to see my diagonal bound title. Okay, so your little page is on. Okay, so you loaded this page on this. Okay, so this happens. So for today this much only, and in the next class I'll show you some more basics, and hope you have learned something. And yeah, I just want to tell you that I am also learning something, and this is the learning phase for you and me as well. Okay, so don't think that I am so talented than you. Okay, so you are in the same path like wise I am. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me, and thank you so much for watching IC Train Nepal, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video or next episode. Thank you so much.